friends, this is Yahya Sheikh and today I made a rowboat. You can see it's having legs and this is the boat and here it will go. Now I am not having enough, like this is a small one. I need a big one to go inside. It should go inside and work, but there is no big in my home. So I will show you how does it work. Not with the water. Over here in the sunlight. You can see it's moving, right? With the help